Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So you can see it right here when you use vidIQ. So the question that how will you get to know that whether you are using it effectively or not? Just look here. You can see this 50 by 50 score, right? And it should be like tag count 5, tag volume, keywords in title 5, then keywords in description and triple keywords. So you should have all these five by five thing. That is 5 out of 5. So yeah, and when it comes to checklist, so it's like you need to add one card, you need to add one and screen. So these are some common things that you can also use. And once I'll make it public, so this will be also getting a tick. So yeah, just take care of it. And if you are not even using that pro version, तो you like तो भी आप उसको extension को अपने laptop में you can install that extension in your laptop and then connect your account with it, your YouTube account with it. So when you go to upload any video, just open it like this. So you can see this kind of thing here, you can see it here, right? You can see all your achievements here. So if this thing is right there, then it means your extension has been successfully connected to your YouTube account. And once you will start editing your video, so you can see everything right here. Okay, then also, do you know one thing? If I'll like I'd copied it and then I went there downside and I created some description. So you can see three suggestions that this vidIQ provided me with. So I just need to click on insert, then you can see it on the top of it. You can see this part. I'm removing some part of it because the count, like it has crossed 5,000 count, so I need to remove this much. Okay, so from here like this is the right way to understand whether, and also you can get to know your peak time. See, my peak time is 9 to 11 p.m. that you can see. So at 9 p.m. most of my audience is active, like based on my traffic. So yeah, just take care of these small things and then you are good to go. It's a struggling journey, but still if you will be improving like these small things, then you can go to, like you can have a great journey, YouTube journey. And it's good if we learn. Now here also you can see it. If I want to like look for good keyword, if I feel that this is not good, I want to add some, you can see three they used to suggest, and then I need to refresh it, and then they will be suggesting, as I have already used these, so that's why this refresh like tags is not right here. So if I talk about, if suppose if I don't want to, I want to cut it and want to look for any other, so how will I look? You need to click here. From here you can see this. Okay, so you can see this video tutorial for beginners, search volume 3412, but competition is very high, so you can avoid this because search volume is too low. I don't think 3041 like 3412 is a good search volume. When it comes to search volume, so it should be 60,000, 30,000, 40,000, 1 lakh, million. So if there are, because we can just add 500 characters in tag part, we need to use or select it precisely. So here you can see I have used this video tutorial. So it's like 1 lakh. You can see YouTube SEO, it's 3 lakh, 3.4 lakh. So based on the search volume, and you can also see competition should be medium or low. If it is very high, then there would be YouTubers who have millions of subscribers, and obviously your video will not be in that list for the main days when people are looking for it, because the one who has million of subscribers will be getting more views as compared to me or like any small channel. So we should take care of search volume should be high and competition should be medium or low. I would suggest if search volume is 1 lakh, then look for competition is low. Cover those kind of topics, then you can get good results. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel. And bye bye. Take care.